To be honest, this year didn't quite go as planned, but it has brought about some beautiful things that I want to share with you. Hi, come on in. I'm Caroline and this is Caro-stitched. And this year really it's been a year of continued growth, creativity, and a lot of learning for both me and our community. We've passed the 1,000 subscriber mark on here, which is absolutely amazing, and we're continuing to grow. I started a school community that could work alongside this channel itself. We started it literally about 3 months ago, and we now have nearly 170 members, and it's a truly global community with people from all over the world, and it's just been marvelous. It's already become a place that is totally supportive and encouraging of people from all levels of crochet, and it's been totally amazing to watch the new crocheters coming in, those that have never crocheted before, picking up that hook, developing their skills, and beginning to get confident with crochet. We ran our 6 weeks of Stitchmas just before Christmas. It was absolutely fantastic with so many things going on. And I had hoped to have the same reflected here on the channel, but I had so much ill health in the last couple of months that I was unable to really record very often, which was a real shame. But that health seems to be improved now, so there'll be a lot more videos coming out here. I'm going to have a lot more links between this and the community in school, which is called the Crochet Circle. I'll put links for it down below for you so you can come over and join if you want to. But if not, we'll still have lots going on here that will link the two together. And in the community, I'm going to start our Hookers Anonymous, which is a crochet and chat basically that we can do together. I'd love to have you along if you want to. It's just a great place to hang out and get to know each other. And this is only going to be a short video, and nice way to get back into it, and certainly there'll be lots more tutorials and things coming up for next year, and looking forward to next year. It's going to be a year where we will see expansion and growth for myself, for Caro-stitched, and for the Crochet Circle community. There'll be lots more beginner-friendly projects as well as some larger ones in among there. We'll have an expansion of the Stitch library for everybody. As I say, I want that stronger link between here, YouTube, and the crochet community that I'm creating on school, because I think it will really work well together and help to encourage everybody to move forward. There'll be new challenges and special events to do with seasons and so on. I've got new one coming out for January, which I'm really looking forward to, and I will make another video to really announce that for yourselves very soon. I'll have more behind the scenes content, and I'm going to do a lot of smaller videos which might only be a few minutes long of things that I'm doing that will be put up there as little quick videos for you to be able to see what I'm up to, and obviously a lot more consistency as my health improves. My intention for 2026 and for this channel as well as the community is to help people feel confident when they pick up a hook, to feel connected, to feel they have support, because questions are always welcome and I'm always here. You can put something in, a comment for me that you need an answer to. I'll always help if I can. But that's all for today, and just want to wish you a really happy 2026. I hope you had a lovely Christmas, and thank you for watching, for keeping me company, and I'll see you in the next one.